These are not from Crocs. I got these from Academy Sports. So they don't come in the Croc packaging. Hopefully they're not counterfeits. I don't think they are. But they didn't have the colorway I wanted on the Crocs website. And they wanted an extra $20 for this particular colorway, the Moth. So I opted to purchase them on a different website. It's the Classic Lined Overpuff Clog. They look pretty cozy. Let's see how they fit in a moment. They look pretty nice though. Alright, I ordered a 12. Two more 11 and a half. I still got a lot of room left. So I would say true to size. Yeah, those are awesome. These are pretty squishy. I guess they're relative to regular Crocs. It feels like the Croc-like material. So they're pretty comfy. And it's more of like a fleece lining as opposed to the like the Sherpa type of lining that they put in the other lined Crocs, which I kind of like this better. I don't really like wearing the other like Sherpa lined Crocs barefoot. Here, let me grab my other pair to show you. Like these. You can see the difference between the two materials. So, I mean, I guess it isn't Sherpa lining, but I don't know. This seems like a better quality lining, this fleece lining, as opposed to this stuff. So, they should be pretty cozy. I'll probably do a review on these in the future, but I'll upload, this video just as the unboxing, on foot sizing, make it more of a short video, see if it gets more views. I've noticed my longer walk videos don't get a whole lot of views, so we'll upload this as is. Not bad. I think these are running like $60 on the website. They wanted like $80 for this particular colorway on the Crocs website. That's why I went and found it elsewhere. I was gonna get the Nightfall, but they didn't have it in my size. They were out in the 12s. Same thing with the Lava. I thought the Lava was pretty cool. So this was like my third choice, this Moth colorway, but I wasn't gonna pay $80 for this particular colorway. So I just went and shopped around and I found them on Academy Sports for the standard 60. So not too shabby. Pretty good for the cooler months. We'll see how they breathe. That's one of the criticisms, that these don't breathe very well. There's no vent holes on them or anything, but for the warmer necessity, I guess for the colder months, you don't really need a whole lot of breathing holes. Though I have noticed on my, what are they, the mellow clogs, those don't really have any ear holes in them, and my feet get kind of, they get a little warm and they get a little sweaty, not having the vent holes in it. So we'll see if I still have that issue with this particular design. They might still breathe having this this fleece lining. Air can still probably get in and out. But enough yapping. Thanks for watching.